In this question, the principal explains to us the meaning of tort of negligence and when it is constituted. The essentials of tort of negligence. The facts. The driver of a truck lost control of the truck while driving on the road at the edge of the town and collided with a power pole. The power supply to much of the town was out for a week since the knocked down power poles triggered a chain reaction that knocked out the whole local grid. So basically, a truck driver lost control of his truck and hit a power pole, as a result of which a chain reaction was caused and the local grid was affected and the power supply was down for a certain amount of time, for a week. It turns out that power outage was a particular problem for meat wholesaler since its refrigerator were run electrically and its entire warehouse of meat was spoiled. As a result, the meat company lost rupees 1 lakh in damages. Can the meat company sue the owner of the truck? Okay, so in this question, the correct answer out of all the options would be B. That is, no, the meat company cannot sue the truck owner, as the truck owner did not have a duty of care against any person other than those who might have been hit by the truck. The reason for this being is the principle clearly states that in order to establish the tort of negligence, it must be proved that the defendant owed a duty of care to the plaintiff. In this question, defendant is the truck driver and duty of care to the plaintiff being the meat company. The defendant breached that duty. Basically, there was no duty between of that the truck driver owed to the plaintiff being the meat factory. The defendant breached that duty. Therefore, there was no breach of duty, either totally or partially, and the plaintiff suffered damage as a result of the breach of duty. From the principle and the facts, it is clear that the truck driver owed a duty of care towards the people who were walking on the road. Therefore, the hitting of the power pole was merely an accident, and then the chain reaction that knocked down the electricity of the town for a whole week was a result thereof, of this accident. Therefore, the meat company cannot sue the truck driver, and the truck driver did not have any duty of care against any person other than those who might have been hit by the truck, making B the correct answer.